Last weekend, I went to a new restaurant near my hotel because I wanted to try some local food. The place looked warm and comfortable, and there were many people talking and laughing inside. I felt a little nervous because the menu was completely in Spanish, but I still wanted to order by myself. A waiter came to my table with a smile and asked if I was ready to order. I took a few minutes to read the menu carefully and finally decided to order grilled beef with potatoes. While I was waiting for my food, I looked around the restaurant and listened to the conversations around me. When the food arrived, it smelled amazing and tasted even better than I expected. The waiter asked if everything was okay, and I told him that I really liked the meal. Before leaving, I ordered a small dessert and thanked the staff for the excellent service. It was a simple dinner, but I enjoyed the experience very much.
Good evening. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant. Do you already know what you would like to order?
I think so, but I still have a few questions about the menu before I decide.
Of course. I'll be happy to help you with anything you need.
Thank you. I'm looking for something not too heavy because I had a late lunch today.
In that case, I would recommend the grilled chicken salad or the pasta with vegetables. Both are very popular.
The grilled chicken salad sounds good. Does it come with any kind of dressing?
Yes, it comes with a light lemon dressing on the side.
Perfect. I think I'll order that, and I'd also like a glass of orange juice.
Great choice. Would you like anything else, maybe an appetizer or soup?
Not right now, thank you. I'll see how hungry I am after the salad.
No problem. I'll bring your order in just a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
Yesterday, I met one of my friends for lunch at a small Italian restaurant downtown. We had not seen each other for several months, so we were excited to spend some time together and talk about our lives. The restaurant was busy, but the atmosphere was calm and friendly. After we sat down, we started looking at the menu and talking about what to order. My friend decided to get a pizza, while I chose a pasta dish with chicken and mushrooms. While we were eating, we talked about work, travel plans, and some funny memories from school. At the end of the lunch, we ordered coffee and stayed at the restaurant for a little longer because the conversation was so enjoyable. Before leaving, we agreed to meet again soon. It was one of those simple moments that can make an ordinary day feel special.
Excuse me, I think there might be a small problem with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
I ordered a cheeseburger with fries, but I received a chicken sandwich instead.
Oh, I apologize for the mistake. Let me fix that for you right away.
Thank you. I understand the restaurant is busy tonight.
We appreciate your patience. Your correct order should be ready in a few minutes.
That's okay. Could I also get another glass of water while I wait?
Absolutely. I'll bring it to your table immediately.
Thanks. By the way, the service here has been very good.
Thank you very much. We always try to make sure our customers have a pleasant experience.
I really appreciate that. I'll definitely come back again sometime.
We'll be happy to see you again. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
A few days ago, I went to a restaurant after work because I was too tired to cook dinner at home. I found a table near the window and ordered a burger with fries and a soda. The restaurant was quite busy, so I expected to wait a little for my food. After some time, the waiter brought my order to the table, but I quickly noticed that something was wrong. Instead of a burger and fries, he gave me a salad and a bowl of soup. I politely explained that I think he brought the wrong order, and he immediately apologized for the mistake. A few minutes later, the waiter returned with the correct meal and even offered me a free drink for the inconvenience. I appreciated how professional and kind he was during the situation. In the end, I enjoyed my dinner and left the restaurant feeling satisfied with the service.